a boiling desert road.
Let me introduce you to the LISSOME R1, the superhero of dishwashers. Living with my girlfriend Thea, who thinks doing the dishes means moving them from the sink to the counter, I knew we needed a fantastic dishwasher. And the LISSOME R1 is simply the best. It fits perfectly in any kitchen, saving space and using 70% less water compared to hand washing. The 3-page perspective window design lets you watch the magic happen as it cleans. LISSOME R1 really stands out with its world-first sweeping jet technology, which ensures a thorough cleaning from every angle, leaving no dish untouched. Coupled with a built-in chipset, LISSOME R1 offers AI Smart Wash, adjusting the wash process to the load for optimal cleaning. With a 3-step start and easy setup, using the R1 is effortless. No need for complicated installations. It has a built-in 3.6-liter water tank and works smoothly with or without plumbing. Just plug it in, add detergent on top, and start. You can fill water tank manually or use the tap water inlet. LISSOME R1 offers 7 washing modes to suit every need. Quick Wash provides ultra-fast cleaning in 15 minutes, perfect for those last-minute cleanups when guests are on the way. Daily Wash completes in 25 minutes, ideal for everyday use and keeping dishes spotless. Power Wash tackles heavy grease with a 35-minute cycle, ensuring even the toughest stains are removed. Smartwash leverages AI to determine the optimal settings for your dishes, taking the guesswork out of the process. It can automatically add detergent, providing efficient cleaning and minimizing waste. Sanitize and Dry offers a 30-minute disinfection cycle, ensuring a germ-free environment for your dishes. LISSOME R1 also features a fruit and vegetable wash mode, which uses a low-temperature 6-minute process to gently clean your produce without damaging it. Lastly, Eco Wash combines a 35-minute fast wash with 25 minutes of drying, offering both efficiency and eco-friendliness, making it a great choice for those who want to save energy and water. One of the LISSOME R1's standout features is its dual sterilization system. By combining UVC rays, plasma sterilization, and 50 degrees Celsius heat, it guarantees that your dishes aren't just clean, they're sterile. It's like having a germ fighting superhero in your kitchen. This advanced system activates every 72 hours, providing up to 7 days of clean storage for baby items and other sensitive materials. This means you can forget to take out your dishes or be away from home for a few days without worrying about bacteria buildup. The dual sterilization system keeps everything hygienic, making the R1 ideal for health conscious families. It provides peace of mind knowing that your dishes and baby items remain safe and clean for extended periods. For storage, the R1 fits up to 27 pieces of cutlery, including 10-inch plates and chopping boards, perfect for families of 2 to 4, as well as baby items, toys, fruit, and vegetables. When it comes to performance, LISSOME R1 doesn't disappoint. Its 15-minute fast clean cycle is perfect for those times when you need a quick turnaround. The auto vent drying features uses 50 degrees Celsius heat to make sure your dishes come out dry and ready for action, sparing you the hassle of manual drying. During the optimal drying stage, the door opens about 10 to 20 degree using the convection of hot and cold air to remove moisture. This method doesn't leave water droplets on the inner wall, consumes less electricity than hot air drying, and effectively surpasses outdoors. The combination of UVC and plasma sterilization guarantees top-notch cleanliness and hygiene. This makes the R1 not only efficient but also crucial for maintaining a healthy kitchen environment. With its multiple washing modes, advanced filtration system, and efficient drainage, the R1 stands out as a top choice for modern households seeking convenience, reliability, and superior cleaning performance. The R1 is equipped with a 3x filtration system designed to minimize clogging and keep the filter clean. It effectively collects and removes food debris, reducing the need for frequent manual cleaning. The system includes a coarse filter, a fine filter, and a stainless steel filter, all working together to ensure thorough filtration. Additionally, LISSOME R1 boasts an efficient leak-free drainage system with centrifugal and peristaltic drainage pumps. It ensures all water is thoroughly removed. The seamless waterway design minimizes interfaces, significantly reducing the risk of leakage. This means you can trust the R1 to perform reliably without unexpected messes.
On a boiling desert.
In conclusion, its innovative features, sleek design, and efficient performance make it an invaluable addition to any home. Whether you are a solo dweller, a dynamic duo, or navigating the chaos of a parent baby combo, LISSOME R1 is your dishwashing sidekick. Wave farewell to those dishpan hands and welcome a smarter, cleaner, and more efficient kitchen with the LISSOME R1. Even Thea, the master of dish avoidance, appreciates it. Well, I have left the early bird discount link for the LISSOME R1 in the description box below. Snag a $220 of coupon for just $1. It's like finding a pot of gold at the end of a dishwasher rainbow. You'll be stuck hand washing your dishes while dreaming of what could have been.